Greetings, my friend. This morning, rise together to ignite the inner fire and welcome the day with a heart full of positivity. Settle into a quiet space and allow the energy of the dawn to fill you up with hope. Close your eyes and take a deep, energizing breath. Feel the cool, crisp air enter your lungs like the fresh scent of morning dew on Caribbean sugar cane. Hold it a moment, then exhale slowly, releasing any sleepiness or doubt. Repeat this breathing a few times, imagining the rhythm of the morning. Energize every cell in your body. Now, imagine you're standing on a hilltop, overlooking the vast sparkling sea. The sky above transforms from deep blue to vibrant shades of orange, pink, and gold as the sun begins its journey upwards. The gentle caress of a cool breeze carries whispers of inspiration and promise. Let the beauty of the dawn remind you that each day is a blank canvas waiting for your unique masterpiece. As the light floods the horizon, softly affirm, me rise up strong, heart full of love, my spirit ready to conquer the day. Visualize these words as rays of light, each one shining into the deepest corners of your being, dispelling any shadow of doubt. Let the affirmations resonate like the steady beat of a drum, setting a powerful rhythm for the day ahead. Imagine the vibrant pulse of the island, the lively hum of reggae, the sound of laughter in the market, the distant call of a drum echoing the heartbeat of the people. Let these sounds merge with your breath, creating a sense of unity and purpose. Feel the energy that connects you to the land, emboldening you to step out and shine. Before you complete this session, take a final deep breath. Wiggle up your fingers and toe them, holding on to the warm energy of the rising sun. When you open your eyes, carry the positive vibrations with you throughout the day. Step out with confidence, knowing that every moment is a chance to create Irie memories. Rise up and shine, my friend. The world is waiting for your light.